हे फैंटास्टिक्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? मैं बहुत 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 अच्छी हूँ गाइस। तो वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल एंड एज यू गाइस कैन सी today's video is fantastic tries it, and today we are making a no Borax slime recipe. So if you guys are excited, then make sure to give this video a like, and if you are not yet subscribed and आपने अभी तक हमारी fantastic family join नहीं किया है, then make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our fantastic fam. So yeah, so today as you guys know, हम लोग fantastic tries it में आप में से ही किसी एक की slime recipes try करते हैं and we give shout out to my dear fantastics. So आज की lucky fantastic हैं Crafty World 12. So yeah, congratulations. And today we are making a no Borax slime recipe. And if you guys also want to have this shout out and आप अगर चाहते हैं कि मैं आपकी रेसिपी ट्राई करूं, then make sure to leave your comment down below with your recipe, and hopefully in the next video I will try your recipe. So make sure to leave a comment down below or any other beautiful comment, then you guys can get a shout out in the starting of the video. So yeah guys, so now without talking too much, let's get started with today's recipe. So fantastics, basically this recipe is like a 2-ingredient recipe, since we only need a gum, which is like we can take fevigum or fevicol, anything that you have at your home, and then we only need Boroline or Boroplus. So yeah guys, that's it. So I haven't tried Boroplus on its own before because you know I've always tried Boroplus with baking soda, so I don't know how it really works. So now let's try to test this recipe and let's see if this even works or not. So yeah, now let's start adding our ingredients. We have our bowl here, so now we'll take our gum. So let's add our gum. So I am going to add some fevicum into this. And I don't think only one fevicum is enough, so I'm going to add another bottle. I wasn't able to find both blue colors, so yeah, for just for the testing sake, it's really not important. So I'm just going to add this yellow one as well. So now as you guys can see, the color will be something like green, but for this video's sake, I'm going to add some chocolate food coloring into this because why not? This is our video, we can add whatever we want. So I'm just going to add few drops of chocolate food coloring and I'm just going to mix it all in. यहाँ पे मैंने water add नहीं किया है because इसमें इन्होंने बोला भी है कि if the slime gets sticky, then add baking soda if you need. But आपको अगर baking soda add करना है तो आपको इसी moment पे add करना होगा, otherwise your slime will be overactivated. But yeah, let's just follow the recipe. और इन्होंने इसमें हमें water भी add करने के लिए नहीं कहा है, so I'm not going to add water as well. So yeah, let's just mix this glue. This glue is literally so thick. It is literally like a slime texture in itself, but yeah, it does look pretty chocolatey. It has a Coke, how Coca-Cola looks, it has that color. But oh my god, it really looks so pretty, you guys. And I think this should be enough. और अब हम इसमें अपना Boroplus जो कि हमारा activator है वो add करना start कर देंगे. If the color is not enough, then हम लोग color बाद में भी add कर सकते हैं. But yeah, as you guys can see, it is like so thick. It is activating itself. But I think a little bit of Boroplus will help this process to fasten up. So now I'm going to add Boroplus. Guys, this is really not sponsored, but yeah, let's add some Boroplus into this. I'm not going to add too much because the slime is already super activated. So yeah, let's add that much. As you guys can see, this should be enough for the activation process. और अब मैं इसको fast forward कर दूंगी ताकि आप लोग बोर ना हो. let's mix. Oh my god, this color does not look good, you guys, but I guess it looks like caramel. But the slime is finally activating, as you guys can see. I'll just keep on mixing it. It's definitely activating, but really slow, and the color is not helping at all. I think we need more food coloring. Now it looks a little bit like chocolate. At this point, I think you guys should take the slime into your hands and start kneading it. This does looks like caramel, like that Snickers toffee color. But yeah, now I will start kneading this with my hand and let's see how the slime turns out. So yeah. As you guys can see, this looks really weird to be honest, but yeah, let's just mix it. And the slime consistency is really nice. We should just add a little bit more food coloring and it should be good. But yeah, this is really nice. It has a lot of bubbles in it, but once it clears out, it will be like really nice, you know, brownish, almost chocolate looking slime. But this is like really nice. Oh my god, this actually looks really good now that I've added a little bit of food coloring into it. Like, look at that gloss, you guys. Oh my god, it actually looks pretty nice now. Look at that. And I think we should definitely have added a little bit of water into this because, you know, it's really tight now. But can you guys see that, how stretchy this is? And we can make a really nice, you know, swirl with it as well. But this slime recipe definitely works. Yeah guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this, then make sure to like this video and leave your comment down below for testing your recipe. And I'll soon see you guys with another amazing video. Until then, bye bye.